Welcome back to Craig's Cabin. Today we're going to do a taste testing video of a bunch of drinks we found in a little shop as we went shopping. Let's jump into the video. So, me and Oliver found these drinks in one of the local shops. We're going to give them a try. We've got little shot glasses so we can try each one a little bit. So first off, we'll start this end, and it's Ghost, and it's energy with 0 sugar, but it's Sour Patch Kids blue raspberry.
I'd expect it to be blue.
I would have expected it to be blue.
It's like apple type.
So there we go. So clear. So I've got another one.
That reminds me of something.
It tastes like the Sour Patch Kids, but it's not sour.
It reminds me of something, but I don't know what now.
So that one was okay. It's like a blue raspberry drink. It's not overly sweet and it's not sour. Next up we have
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Toxic Waste sour lemon and lime fizzy soda, and it's sugar free as well. And as you heard in the background, Alexa has got to add her own 2 cents in. Alexa, be quiet. You've got to be careful if you mention her name because she will start earwigging on everything. So, here we go. Toxic Waste.
I hate toxic waste.
Oliver says he hates toxic waste.
Oh god.
I'll put the lid back on this one. It looks a little bit like a sample cup for the hospital. Let's see.
Blah.
That one's a bit more sour than that one. Still not really sour, just a bit more sour than the Ghost.
I just don't like it.
Oliver doesn't like it. Reminds me of if you do an cordial and you do it too strong.
That's to take the taste away.
Oliver's done a little one of appetizer to take the taste away, but I don't need that yet. So next, I have to hold this one upside down. Fanta, and the flavour is Shakata. I guess it's some sort of lemon or citrus.
I've just...
But this one's a bit more cloudy. Looks like lemon juice squeezed into water. Let's try this. Now that one tastes more like flowers than anything else.
It tastes like you're eating a bunch of flowers.
It does taste like you smell of a bouquet of flowers. Not too keen on that one. It's not horrible, but I'm not too keen on it. Next
Is that lime?
is another Toxic Waste sour apple, and again sugar free.
It looks like you find something you find in the science lab.
Well, they do call it toxic waste, so
Oh. What?
Craig's See? Sour apple. Brilliant. Yeah, that one's sour.
Yeah.
Feel.
That's making me shiver.
That one is definitely more sour than that one. It's definitely the most sour out of all of them so far. The sour apple taste is nice, it's just a bit sour for a drink. So next, we have this one from, I don't know if it's from Japan, I think it's from Japan. It's a, if you ever played the game Street Fighter back in the day, got Ryu and it's Ocean Bomb. It's a sparkling tea and it's supposed to be apple flavoured. So, never had fizzy tea, let alone, oh god blimey. I'm dreading this one, especially because it comes in a brown can.
Is it clear?
You'll see.
Oh god. Oh, it looks. I don't know what it looks like. Iron brew. Is that iron brew?
That looks more like a sample cup from the doctors. Look at that.
Oh.
Smells nice though. Doesn't smell horrible.
It don't really. It smells of feet.
Ready?
Like,
you think it smells of feet? Whose feet you been smelling? Doesn't smell like feet. No, it doesn't. Right, 3, 2, 1.
oh. Very strange.
It's strange because it just tastes of fizzy water. I've got no
Has a weird taste to it. It's not fruity.
aftertaste. Not quite. Yeah,
It tastes like apples a little bit.
I can't taste apple.
Okay.
Just fizzy water with a little aftertaste of something. I don't know what. For that one, I'm going to need my appetizer.
This one's my favourite.
So, out of all of those, I think the lemon toxic waste is my favourite.
Of course it was.
The ghost one is a very close second. The blue raspberry sour patch kids,
That one's quite sweet though.
but they're all very nice. Now, Oliver, except for this one, I'm not too sure on that
I hate
one.
them.
And that one, it's not my favourite, but it's not horrible.
It's green apple I hate.
If you quickly want to get us 2 little cups, we'll do a mixture.
Excuse me?
Yeah,
What?
go get 2 little cups. I'm going to do a mixture just to finish the video off. So, yeah, we managed to find these in a little like a newsagent's type shop, smoking shop or something like that. It sells a load of different drinks and sweets from all over the world. So I'm going to put a splash of Ryu,
Okay, that's not gonna stop.
then a splash of green toxic waste.
It's gonna make me be sick. Oh god. I'm actually going to throw up. I'm not drinking all of it.
Then a splash of Shakata
Flour.
Fanta. Give it that floral taste.
Probably tastes like a floor.
It's starting to look like a disinfectant. Then some lemon and lime toxic waste. And then some blue raspberry sour patch kids. That's it.
I need more in mine.
Right. You got to drink it all, Oliver.
I won't
Ready?
stomach it. No.
3, 2, 1. Up your bum.
I don't find it that bad.
It was horrible.
I don't.
Yeah, I think I mixed something too much or something in there. Don't recommend doing them all at once, even though it does take away the
Try
taste
mine.
of that one.
Don't think mine and
Pardon
yours
me?
taste the same. It tastes the same.
Yeah.
I like it.
Don't recommend adding them all together. Try them separate. Yeah, thank you for watching. It was definitely an experience.
That Ocean Bond sparkling tea apple flavoured.
Yeah, sparkling tea, this brown one apparently. So if you've seen any of these that you want to try, I've seen them on advertised on like Amazon or just online on online search. So you can find them there. Thank you very much for watching. Some of these are getting a thumbs up, but the other ones, no, this one especially, thumbs down. Stay safe. We'll see you later.